Watch this. This is entirely generated using AI. The influencer, the motion, and the camera movement. Everything is controlled. And this is exactly where Higgsfield AI stands out. Because instead of just generating random AI videos, it actually gives you control over how your AI influencer moves, reacts, and even how the camera flows around them. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how to create and control your own AI influencer step by step using Higgsfield AI. You'll find links to all the exclusive discounts in the description below. First, I'll generate a realistic influencer using the AI Influencer Studio. We'll create an Indian female influencer and add facial details to give her personality. Set the rendering to hyper-realistic and we're done. Now comes the main part, bringing this influencer to life. So to do that, click on the video icon and this will open up the motion control tool. On the right side, you'll see a full motion library with different video clips. These clips act as reference motions, so whatever motion you pick here, your AI influencer will replicate that exact movement. And on the left side, you can preview what you've selected. So let's pick a motion clip. And before generating, I'll set the quality to maximum so we get the best possible output. Right below that, you'll see something called Scene Control Mode. This gives you two options. The first one is Image Mode. In this mode, the background stays the same as your original influencer image. And the second one is Video Mode. Here, it uses the background from the motion clip itself, which makes the whole scene feel more dynamic. So first, I'll keep it in image mode and generate this. Once that's done, I'll run the same thing again, but this time switch to video mode. And this is something you should definitely experiment with. Try different motion clips, generate multiple versions, and see what works best for your content. Now, let's take a look at the result. And honestly, this looks really clean. The motion feels smooth, and the expressions don't look stiff or robotic at all. Another option you have here is uploading your own video. So, for example, I uploaded a clip of a woman sitting on the ground in a park. And once we apply motion control, the AI basically transfers that exact movement onto our influencer. So now it's the same action, but performed by our AI influencer instead. Now let's take this a step further. If you go back to your original influencer image and click on Reference, you'll unlock the image generation feature. From here, you can place your influencer in completely different environments. For example, I generated images of her playing table tennis and even walking under pink trees. And honestly, the results look really natural. It actually feels like the same person in different scenes. But what makes this even more powerful is that we can actually animate these images as well. So instead of static shots, we can take scenes like her playing table tennis or walking under pink trees and bring them to life using motion control. Alright, so here's the result. The motion feels smooth and blends really well with the scene. Now, one issue you might notice at this point is your influencer keeps wearing the same outfit in every generation. So, to fix that, Higgsfield has a feature called AI Stylist. From here, you can completely change your influencer's outfit and overall look. You can try different styles, experiment with clothing, and basically redesign the character without changing the face. So the identity stays the same, but the appearance changes. Once you apply a new outfit, just go back to motion control, generate the video again, and now you'll have the same influencer with a completely different look, performing new actions. Finally, let's talk about pricing. You can explore the platform and generate a few videos without subscribing. The basic plan starts at $5 per month, which gives you 70 credits per month. You can choose Plus and Ultra plans for more credits, better generation limits, and full access to all models and features. Overall, I'm genuinely impressed with Higgsfield AI. The level of control you get over motion, the consistency of the influencer, and the ability to turn simple images into animated scenes, all of it works really well. Compared to most AI video tools that just generate random clips, this feels more like a proper creative tool where you can actually direct what's happening. So try out motion control inside Higgsfield AI using the discount link in the description and let me know your feedback in the comments below. And for another useful AI tutorial, check out this video next.